Hello everyone, this is Smita Matthew and you are watching my channel Love, Live, Cook, and we are going to make cream of broccoli soup. For written recipe, please check the description box and do like, share and subscribe. To make broccoli soup, we'll need broccoli 200 grams, onion large 1, we can just chop it roughly, and potatoes 1 cubed. Roughly chopped garlic cloves 1 teaspoon, milk 1 cup, corn flour 1.5 tablespoon, salt and pepper as per taste, and water 2 cups. In a hot pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. Here is a small tip. In any recipe, if you have to use butter, always add a little oil before adding butter, as it makes sure that butter doesn't stick to the pan and burn. Now add the roughly chopped onions, 1 teaspoon chopped garlic cloves, this is approximately 4 to 5 garlic cloves, and the potatoes. Mix it well, then cover and cook for around 8 to 10 minutes. But don't forget to stir it in between to make sure it doesn't stick to the pan. Once the potatoes are cooked well, add the broccoli florets, mix again and cover it for another 5 to 6 minutes. Then add 2 cups of water to it, cook again for 3 to 4 minutes. Now bring it to room temperature. Transfer it to a blender and make a smooth puree. In the same pan, add half teaspoon of oil, half teaspoon of butter, and into this add 1.5 tablespoon of corn flour. Stir continuously and fry until the raw smell of corn flour disappears and it turns slightly golden in color. Now add 1 cup milk while stirring continuously. Once the milk thickens, add the broccoli puree to it and mix well. You can add salt as per your taste. And black pepper powder. Apart from these two, you can also add the seasonings whatever you like, oregano, paprika, chili flakes, whichever seasoning you like in your soup, add it to this. Now garnish with some fresh cream. The most easy yet yummy cream of broccoli soup is ready. Even if you don't like broccoli, I am sure you will love this soup. So please do try it. Thank you.